If a sensor with the wrong device ID is connected, then the IO-Link LED will blink red on the AL port, and no IO-Link data is transmitted to the PLC. In the manual, this pattern is noted simply as a IO-Link communication error. Fixing this error requires one of two solutions. The first solution is connecting the correct part number to the AL master port with the matching device ID. The second solution would require a programmer to access the PLC project and reconfigure the device replacement settings to match the new device. Let's take a look at an example. Here in the PLC, port 8 is a solid green, like we would expect to see, and I can apply pressure and see the pressure come through into the add-on instruction. Now, if I replace the PN2694 with a PN7692, not 100% the same thing, but the data structure is similar. In the AOI, we get invalid data. I have a pressure sensor. I'm applying pressure to it. It's not coming through because it is not the correct device ID, and my master is flashing red. This is an indication that somebody needs to assess the situation and see how to fix it. If the same part number or device ID cannot be put back on the port of the master, it's going to continue flashing red and you will not see IO-Link data. The only way to fix this issue would be to redo device replacement. Let's take a look at how to change the stored device and parameters. Go to module properties, inhibit the module again. Go to your controller tags. We'd have to put a 0 here, enter. We're going to uninhibit, right? So this is clearing the device replacement setting. Right, then we're going to go and inhibit. So the 0 is already here, right? So that's turning it off. We're going to inhibit again. Yes. Go back to your controller tags. Make this a 4. Make this whatever the part number is. Let's say 650. All right, enter. Now we're going to come back to module properties. And before you do this, last bit right here, you're going to want to make sure that the parameters on the part number are what you want them to be, because when we uninhibit and apply, that's going to store that new parameter set on the port of the master.